So today we're going to be doing a walkthrough of this 8x10 mini album. It is made using a collection from Kaisercraft called Little Treasures. It came out a while ago. I don't think you can get it anymore, but I really love this collection. It's really, really cute. And this album is made for a baby girl. So stay tuned. Hey and howdy everyone, welcome back to my channel. It's Jeannie with Paper Pixie Ink, and today we're going to be doing a walkthrough of this 8x10 mini album made for a little girl. It is made using the Little Treasures collection from Kaisercraft. I really liked this collection. Unfortunately it's not available anymore, but it could be used for little boys, little girls. It's a really, really cute collection. So my front cover is pretty basic. I just used some of the ephemera from the collection to create my cover, and I just popped up this little precious word that I backed with some silver glitter cardstock on some chipboard. And then my spine I just kind of covered with this really pretty white lace and some bling along the middle of the spine. So the front cover, or the inside front cover, just has this little magnetic closure to hold it closed, and then there's just lots of space for photos. The closure piece that is magnetized is just some die cuts that I glued together, and it says, "Follow your dreams, little one, they know the way." So this is magnetized closed, and it's just got some space for photos. And then this is a smaller pocket with a little insert, and then there's a bigger pocket with a slightly larger insert behind that. And then each of my pages is also a pocket page, so we have this large photo mat that can tuck inside. This page is pretty simple. I just created these kind of diagonal pockets and tucked a couple of photo mats in as well. This is just kind of a pop-up page. It's pretty simple. I really like the little bunny and the balloon. I thought it was really cute. And then again we have our large photo mat with more bunnies and balloons. This page is pretty simple, but there's quite a bit of space on it. So you have this photo mat here, and then it opens up, so you got lots of space for photos there. And then this is a little tuck spot as well, so you can tuck photos or more photo mats or whatever you want, and it is magnetized closed. This page is very simple. I kept it just with the little diagonal pockets in the corners, and then I inserted a large photo mat, and then of course in the page itself there is the large photo mat as well. So this is just a little mini waterfall, and they're all square, and it does have a magnetized closure. And then this is just a pocket, and I tucked a little photo mat inside that as well. So these are more pockets, kept pretty simple, and then we have some little photo mats and tags that tuck right into the pockets as well. And then this bottom pocket has a decorative edge that I did with a punch and some bling along the edge of it. And then of course the page has the pocket with the extra large photo mat in it as well. This one's just kind of fun. So each one of these four just flip up. They are all magnetized closed. And then behind each one is a little pocket with these cute little tags. So each one has one of these tags as well. So this just has kind of like a belly band with a small pocket lip on the bottom of it, and I've tucked in some photo mats of various sizes in various colors, greens and pinks and whatnot. And then this page actually opens up as well. And when you open it up, you get this cute little pop-up. So it's got some areas for photos as well. And then again, the little pocket page has the extra large photo mat in it. So this is just another tuck spot. So you have some area there for photos, and then this photo mat tucks in as well for some photos. This page, it opens like this and is magnetized, and then it flips open like this, and there's a small little pocket here with a decorative edge. And then this little pocket has a couple of smaller photo mats and a large tag that just tucks into it. And this page is magnetized closed as well. And then again, it has the large photo mat in the page pocket. So this is our last page. This is just a large photo mat, kind of accordion style. It is all magnetized. Every page is magnetized in this. So it will stay closed very, very well, and it has lots of space for photos. And then this page is just pretty plain. I really like the little bunny in the hot air balloon. So it just has a little envelope with a little piece of ephemera and then a couple of one tag and one photo mat tucked into it. So that's the album. I hope you enjoyed it. And as always, if you're interested in seeing more, don't forget to click on that subscribe button. Thanks, everyone.